Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Hummer H4, the ultimate blend of power, ruggedness, and futuristic tech. Let's see what makes this electric beast a game-changer. The 2025 GMC Hummer H4 is a bold new addition to the Hummer lineup, and it takes everything we love about the brand to the next level. Its design screams off-road capability, with its massive grille, signature Hummer LED bar, and muscular body lines. The removable roof panels give it an open-air driving experience, making it perfect for adventures. And those 22-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires? They're ready for any challenge, whether it's sand, mud, or rocky trails. Underneath its rugged exterior lies a powerhouse of technology. The Hummer H4 comes equipped with a tri-motor electric setup, producing a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this beast can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, which is insane for an off-road SUV. Plus, with a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge and fast-charging capabilities that add 100 miles in just 10 minutes, you'll never worry about running out of juice on your adventures. Now let's step inside the cabin. The H4 offers a luxurious and high-tech interior that's as impressive as its performance. Premium materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and recycled sustainable fabrics create an upscale vibe. The centerpiece is the 13.4-inch infotainment screen paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. Everything from navigation to vehicle diagnostics is at your fingertips. And with advanced features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 14-speaker Bose audio system, your drives will always be entertaining. What sets the Hummer H4 apart is its off-road capabilities. It comes with GMC's next-gen crabwalk feature, allowing the H4 to move diagonally over tough terrain. The adaptive air suspension can raise the vehicle by 6 inches for extreme conditions, while the underbody cameras provide a clear view of obstacles. This SUV is built to conquer anything the wild throws at it. Safety is also top-notch, with features like SuperCruise for hands-free driving, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced driver assist systems ensuring peace of mind on every trip. The 2025 GMC Hummer H4 starts at $90,000 for the base model, but fully loaded versions can go beyond $120,000. It's a steep price, but considering its blend of luxury, power, and innovation, it's worth every penny for those who want the best of both worlds. So, what do you think of the 2025 GMC Hummer H4? Is this the electric off-roader you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Trend for more exciting car reviews. Stay tuned for our next episode.